For question number 3, we have a series here, which is we have a binomial expansion or we have a binomial series. Okay, so for this thing you just need to memorize how do we expand the thing. Okay, so find the first, the first three terms in the expansion. 3 minus ax power 5 is ascending power. In ascending can be written in the form of b minus 81x plus cx squared. Find the value of a, b, c. Here is that we expand and we compare. Expand and compare, expand and compare. That's all. Nothing much about it. Okay, so how do we expand these things here? Is that we're going to be 3 minus ax to the power of 5. The first thing that I always do here, of course, for the first three terms, just need to memorize how do we expand this thing. It's first of all 5co multiply with 3 to the power of 5. The big dot here is multiply here. 3 to the power of 5 and then negative ax to the power of 0 plus with 5c1 3 to the power of 4, the power will be reduced, and then negative ax power of 1, then here will be increased by 1. And continue again 5c2 3 to the power of 3 and then negative ax power of 2. That's how we expand this thing. That's just the way we expand this thing and the formula. So you can press everything by calculator here. Okay, make sure you press it carefully. 5c0. Okay, how to press c here is actually shift and then divide here. You see NCR 5co. You're gonna get 1. Okay, 1 and then multiply by 3 to the power of 5. 3 to the power of 5 is equal to 243 and negative ax power 0 is going to be still 1. Plus with 5c1 here, press in your calculator. 5c1 equal to what? Equal to 5. Okay, 5. 3 to the power of 4 is 81 and then negative ax power of 1 is still negative ax. Plus with 5c2, press in your calculator. 5c2, it will be equal to 10. Okay, 3 power 3 is 27 and then here it would be a square x squared. That's how we do it. Then you expand it, which is 1 multiplied by 243 multiplied by y is 243. 5 multiplied by 8 multiplied by negative a, so press in the calculator. 5 multiplied by 81 and is going to be 405, but multiplied by negative a here is going to be negative 405 ax. Okay, alright, that's how we do. And then expand over here. 10 multiplied by 27 multiplied by a square is going to be 270 a square x square. Then we compare with the one given. The one given here is b minus 81 x plus c x squared. As you can see here, we can already compare the value here. 243 is comparable to b. Negative 405a is comparable to negative 81 here. And then 270a is compared to c. A squared is equal to c. Then we can straightaway continue with our working. So 243 is equal to b. That's already done. How about here? Negative 405a equal to negative 81. So a equal to negative 81 over negative 405. A is equal to what here? Straight away press in the calculator. Negative 81 divided by negative 405. What you get? It's equal to 1 over 5. Okay, 1 over 5. Positive 1 over 5. And we already done with a here. How about c? So 270 multiplied by a square equal to c. So a square is over here, 1 over 5. So 270, 1 over 5 square equal to c. So 270 multiplied by 1 over 25 equal to c. Then your c is equal to, same as 270 divided by 25. Then you're going to get is equal to 10, 4 over 5 or 10.8. 10, 4 over 5 or 10.8. So that's how we find the value of a, b, c. You want to rewrite also can, you don't want to rewrite also can, which is a equal to 1 over 5 or 0.2, b is equal to 243, and c is equal to 10, 4 over 5 or 10.8. That's how we do this question. Let's continue to the next question here, which is question number 4. For question number 4 here, we need to really understand what's the question wanted and what's the information given. Right now they said the tangent. Remember tangent. Tangent is what? Tangent is a straight line that passes through at one point only. One point only, that's the tangent. Okay, so it's a straight line, passes through. Okay, passes through at one point only. Okay, so passes through what? It can be any curve lah, or any curve, or any circle, or anything. But here is actually the tangent to the curve. Y equal to ln log natural 3x squared minus 4 minus x cubed over 6. Another information for this question here, they said that at the point x equal to 2, the tangent meets the y-axis at point P. They said the tangent at the point x equal to 2, okay, it means the y-axis at the point P. So that means tangent line, for this tangent line here, so y-intercept of tangent line, it will be point P. But where it happened here, it happened at x equal to 2. Okay, so here's going to be very, it's not to say very complicated, but you need to understand the information. So y-intercept of the tangent line, okay, that would be point P, and when it where it happened is at x equal to 2. Okay, alright, x equal to 2 of what? Of the initial line here, okay, of initial line. It's going to be very confusing lah. Okay, it's going to be very confusing. So what I always do here is that you need to find where is the point x equal to 2 here. You know that the point x equal to 2, but you don't know where is the y point. Okay, so I put if x equal to 2 here, so y equal to log natural 2 square minus 4, okay, and then minus 2 power of 3 over 6. So y equal to log natural 3 multiplied by 4 is 12. 12 minus 4 is 18. So it's 8. Okay, ln 8, and then here minus 8 over 6 is also 4 over 3. Okay, so that's going to be the y value. I know that if we expand this thing, it's going to be very long points. So you can always say that where it happened here is at 2, x equal to 2, and the y here ln 8 minus 4 over 3. That's the y value. This is x value, this is y value. So that's where it happened. Okay, that's where the intersection. Okay, where is the intersection point, or where's the tangent that meets the curved line. So you already have the coordinates. Right now, how to find the tangent? Always remember that dy dx is always the gradient of tangent. Any dy dx is always gradient of tangent. Please always remember that. So we just need to find the dy dx of these things. Okay, so for dy dx of these things here is that you differentiate inside the bracket here, so it's going to be 6x divided by initial bracket here is 3x squared minus 4. And that's how we differentiate the log natural equation. Okay, log natural equation. And here, when you here is also the mean is negative 1 over 6 power of 3, and here is going to be 3 over 6x squared. Or I simplify, dy dx is going to be 6x over 3x squared minus 4 minus 1 over 2x squared, or x squared over 2, or still the same thing. Okay, so that's your dy dx. And this is your gradient of tangent. Okay, so this is gradient of tangent. But do we find the exact value of gradient of tangent here? No, we don't have the exact value. To find the exact value, you substitute where it happened. Okay, substitute the point where it happened, where it intersect. So where is it at it intersect here? At x equal to 2. So you substitute the point here. So from here, we can get the real gradient of tangent here, which is gradient of tangent. It's going to be 6 bracket 2 over 3 2 square minus 4 minus with 1 over 2 multiplied by 2 squared. So that's how we do it. Of course, it's going to be long here. So 12 over 12 minus 4 minus with 4 over 2. Simplify 12 over 8 minus 2. We're going to have 4 over 3 over 2 minus 2 here, 3 over 2 minus 2, we will have negative 1 over 2. That's your gradient. Okay, that's going to be your gradient. So gradient of tangent is negative 1 over 2. Then your tangent line here, we already have your tangent line, equation of your tangent line here is going to be y equal to negative 1 over 2x plus c. Okay, and just to find the y-intercept of this tangent line here, you substitute where it happened, which is you substitute this point. That's how we do. Okay, so to substitute this point here is going to be ln 8 minus 4 over 3. That's the y value here, equal to negative 1 over 2 multiplied by 2 plus c. So ln 8 minus 4 over 3 equal to negative 1 plus c. Move negative 1 to the left side. Ln 8 plus minus 4 over 3 plus 1 equal to c. So your c is ln 8. Negative 4 over 3 plus 1 is also plus 3 over 3 is negative 1 over 3. That's going to be your y-intercept. And that's going to be point P. Now find the exact coordinate of point P. That means straight away your final answer for point P here, it will be 0 and ln 8 negative minus 1 over 3. That's how we do this question. Okay, it may be looks very confused, but it is what it is. Okay, okay, it is what it is. That's what makes Addmaths. It's like that. Okay. I hope that you can understand. If you don't understand, try to rewind the video again and again and again. Okay, or if you also don't understand, you can put something in the comment below. Okay, and that's how we do question number 4.